Hello everyone, welcome to my stock price prediction project. My name is Amira and today I will be demonstrating how to predict the stock prices using long short-term memory network. This project is part of my internship at Code Alpha, where we have been tasked with applying a machine learning technique to real-world problems. For this demonstration, I will be using Jupyter Notebook to walk you through the entire process from data collection and preprocessing to model training and evaluation. Let's get started. First of all, we want to grab the dataset, which we get from this Yahoo link, which will bring us to Microsoft Corporation stock page. We can scroll down and change the time period from 1 year to max to get all of the information, and then click apply and download this. After downloading a file, you should get a file like this, msft.csv file. So now we should upload this file to our project. Go to a home directory and then upload and choose your file. We first import pandas library and then create a variable named df equal bt.read.csv to load our data file. So if you want to see the data, just write the name of the variable you have created here, df, and press enter. And the output, you will see this data. This is the number of rows and this is the number of columns. This is the stock information. It goes all the way from the beginning 1986 all the way till now today. Notice that we don't trade stocks every single day. There is a gap here. We have 14 and 17. We don't have 15 and 16.